very easy step. You don't need to go far. Easy step. Let's just go. You go to your Chrome browser. You know Chrome. So this is our Chrome. Let me show you the Chrome. This is Chrome on my screen. That is Chrome. You click on Pindoduo app download. You can see it here. Pindoduo app download. Pindoduo app download. See Pindoduo app download. Have you seen it? So you just quickly click on that. Click on Pindoduo app download. Bam. Now you just make sure you scroll down so you see Malavida. Please don't download other ones. You download Malavida. As you can see, the Malavida is here. You download Malavida. That's Malavida here. Let me so you see what I'm talking about. You download Malavida. So that's Malavida. That's where you click on. That's you download Pindoduo APK. So let's click on it. You click on it. Bam, you're here. So you scroll down. You go to this APK download for Android, because once Android users, this is how you download it. For iPhone users, you don't even need to go through it. You just go to your Apple Store, click on Pindoduo app, and you see it right there. But this is for Android users. So you see your Pindoduo APK, you download for Android. So immediately you click on that, click on it, and here, then what you just need to do, this is the app right here. So you just click on this download. You click on it, click on it, click on this. Look at the download here. Click on this download. Click on the download immediately. See, it's downloading. Click on the download. See, can you see it? Downloading file. You can see it downloading file. So let's wait for it to download. It's downloading. Once it's done, you'll see it. So let's wait for it to download. Simple. So as you can see, it's showing us file downloaded, open. So you just quickly click on open. Let's quickly click on open. You just come to this your main phone, go to your, you see, go to files. You can see files. Click on files. Once you click on files, click on that files, it will open. Then immediately you see the download here. You will see the download here. Then click on it to install. Click on it to install. See, you can see it installing. Allow app to install. You see, then you immediately click on it to install. Click on it to install. You see, click on install. See it installing. It's installing. Once it's installed, you will just see the Pindoduo app right in your phone. It's installing. Boom. So that is simple. All you just need to do is to click on open, and this, boom, this is our Pindoduo app. And remember, when you're doing your Pindoduo app, you need to, for you to use Pindoduo app, you need to connect it to your WeChat. So I already have WeChat, verified WeChat account. So if you want more on how to verify your WeChat account, on how to link it, you can also chat to me. How to link it is very easy. You just want to click on Pindoduo, it comes direct to your WeChat. So I'll just click here to link it. So you see, this is my WeChat. Click on WeChat. You see, it's connecting. So click on WeChat. see agree and accept. Just agree and accept, and you're logging in. That's my WeChat Gen CEO allow. Agree and accept again. So that means you're ready to use. You see, bam, it's open. This is a Pindoduo app. This is super amazing. So you see, it's so easy. This step is simple, easy. So if you want me to teach on how to verify your WeChat, kindly write on the comment section that I should throw more light on how to verify WeChat account, and I'll have a video. I'll make a short video on how to do that. This is a Pindoduo app. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video. See you in my next video. Bye.